Hello everybody! Today I'm creating a Gothic Who makeup and hair look. Oh yeah, so if there was a Gothic Who in Whoville, this is how she would look like. Before we get started with this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with friends and family. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Let's get this party started. Now let's get started. Ooh, ooh. We are going to have a lot of fun today. Yeah. I'm going to begin with foundation. I'm gonna go simple with the foundation. I'm just gonna go for one color. I'm not gonna highlight and contour too much. I'm just going to keep it simple, okay? Nice and clean, fresh face, because the Whos, they have fresh, flawless skin. They got that smooth, buttery smooth skin. So that's what we're going to continue to do. Now that I have, I look like I've got baby skin. I'm going to set this with a powder foundation to have even more coverage. That way we keep that baby skin. Look, I look like I'm 5 again. I've got that baby skin, baby smooth skin. Cindy Lou Who, I'm coming for your brand. Now I'm going to go and create my arch, well, my eyebrows. And I'm going to go soft with the color. That way we keep it nice and delicate with the shading, because we want a soft overall look. We don't want any harshness at all. You see, a light color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a crease color, and it's going to be a light brown just to create some shading. And this is going to accentuate the eye shape. Now we're going to cut the crease to create a cleaner look and to create that doe-eyed effect. And we're going to create definition in the crease with a brown liner. You gotta cut the crease. I know in the last video, I didn't try. In the last video, when I was cutting the crease, this primer got into my eye and my contact lens, and it was hilarious. Now I'm going to apply a beige color on top of the cut crease to set it and to create the effect that we want. I'm applying it now, and you can see the difference it's making. Ooh, so pretty. I remember when I first watched The Grinch, it was a little freaky because I was scared of how the Grinch looked like. So if you felt the same way when you first watched the Grinch movie, comment down below a Christmas tree emoji. I want to look wide awake. On the waterline, I'm going to apply a lighter shade so I can look wide awake. Yeah, the look is starting to come together. Now going to get a darker shade of brown. Ooh. And place it below the white. This is when you don't breathe. It's time for lashes. Only apply on the outer corner because the Who's of Whoville only have lashes on the outer corner. Ooh. Perfection. In the right direction. Now it's time to contour. Contouring time. I think I'm going to have to use a fluffier brush and contour the nose while the lashes dry. Because we have to create a Who nose. We already have the lashes. Now we need to have the nose and the facial features. Imagine if people wore their lashes like this normally. What? Imagine. Everything is coming together. We are becoming a Who from Whoville. Look at the lashes and the eyes and the nose shape. We're getting there. And I contour the cheeks a little bit. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter shades right there on the nose. So highlight on the cheek, highlight on this cheek. Okay, and now I'm going to apply some blush, and it's pink blush, bright pink. You see? Bright pink blush. Right there. And here. Put it in a circle like this. It looks like the makeup that all the cool girls are wearing. I think I'm gonna apply more blush because, again, more is more. Why not? Intensity is high with the color. As you can see, the intensity is pretty vibrant. Ooh, we are a cute Who. Who are you? That's the whole question. Who are you? 10 minutes later. Oh, I sound Australian. 10 minutes later. 10 minutes later, and I'm still applying blush. No, it has not been 10 minutes. It's just been a few minutes, okay? Okay, so now the lips are gonna be natural. I'm gonna line them a little bit, and then we're going to apply the lipstick. Woo! Where are you, Christmas? We're getting there. Now we're going to apply a lighter shade on the center to create dimension. I hope I grabbed the right shade. I guess I did. I did it. Where are you, Christmas? Now for the hair transformation. Ooh. Yes. Okay, this is a Gothic Who. I am loving this. I wish I could look like this every day. Cindy Lou Who. Ooh, I look good as a Who. This is a Gothic Who. Where are you, Christmas? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with friends and family. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. On Facebook, like my page and follow my page, and on Instagram as well. It helps my social media grow, and it helps people find my content. Thank you guys so much again for all your love and support.